Welcome to my channel. My name is Josie. Today we will explore 10 shabby chic decoration ideas that will transform your white living room into a cozy and stylish retreat. Shabby chic is all about embracing vintage charm and creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. Let's dive into these inspiring ideas. Soft textiles. Next, focus on soft textiles. Layer your space with plush throw pillows, cozy blankets, and delicate lace curtains. Opt for pastel colors and add floral patterns to enhance the shabby chic aesthetic, creating a warm and inviting environment. Vintage furniture. First, consider incorporating vintage furniture pieces. Look for distressed wooden tables, ornate chairs, or a charming sideboard. These elements add character and a sense of history to your living room while complementing the white backdrop. Antique accessories. Antique accessories can elevate your decor. Incorporate items such as vintage mirrors, old books, or decorative trays. These pieces not only served as conversation starters, but also add depth and interest to your living room. Soft lining. Lining plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Use soft, warm lighting with vintage-inspired lamps or fairy lights. A chandelier with a distressed finish can serve as a stunning focal point while providing a cozy ambience. Wall art. Incorporate wall art that reflects the shabby chic style. Look for vintage prints, framed botanical illustrations, or even a gallery wall of family photos in mismatched frames. This personal touch adds warmth and character to your living room. Distressed finishes. Consider using distressed finishes on your furniture. A weathered coffee table or a painted cabinet with a chipped look can add a rustic charm that is quintessential to shabby chic design. This approach creates a relaxed and lived-in feel. arrangements. Floral arrangements are essential in shabby chic decor. Use fresh or dried flowers in soft hues, displayed vintage vases or mason jars. This natural element brings life to your space and enhances the overall aesthetic. Upcycled decor. Embrace upcycled decor by repurposing old items. Transform an old ladder into a bookshelf or use wooden crates as side tables. These creative solutions not only save money but also contribute to the unique charm of your living room. Neutral color palette. While white is the primary color, consider incorporating a neutral color palette. Neutral tones such as whites, creams, beiges, or soft grays are essential in achieving this look. These colors create a serene backdrop that allows for personal touches and accents. Final touches. Finally, add personal touches that reflect your style. Display cherished items such as family photos or travel souvenirs in a way that complements the overall decor. Remember, the Shabby Chic style is about creating a lived-in, comfortable space that tells a story. In conclusion, decorating a Shabby Chic living room in white involves a careful selection of furniture, textiles, accessories, and lighting. By incorporating these elements, you can create a beautiful, serene space that exudes charm and elegance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration.